Hi, everyone. My name is John Seymour, and I'm going to be your geography teacher, world geography teacher this semester. I welcome all of you, students and parents, and I look forward to working with all of you. So let's talk a little bit about me and then a little bit about the course. So just a little bit about me. I live in El Paso, Texas. So I live on the side of the state that a lot of times Texas doesn't want to claim, but we are here. I attended the University of Texas at El Paso, go Miners, and I got 2 degrees from there, a bachelor in business and a master's in business degree. I recently earned a second master's degree in public administration from Capella University. I taught for 32 years for the El Paso Independent School District in the brick and mortar. I taught everything from adult education to computers to social studies. For like 15 years, I did social studies. For the social studies, at the high school that I taught geography, United States history, business computers, world history, AP world history, American government, economics and current issues. I also taught college level and still teach college level government classes. I have a grown daughter. I have 4 doggies. The doggies at the bottom are not my doggies, but they look exactly like my doggies. They're King Charles Cavalier Spaniels. So 4 of them are that. And then I have one that's not quite those. He's not exactly purebred. He adopted us. So he's a very fat Chihuahua-like looking dog that we have yet to identify. I also teach, like I said, I teach college classes at the El Paso Community College online in the evenings. But believe me, during the daytime and as much as I possibly can, I'm yours. I am at your service to help you, and I will always be accessible. So please understand that. I am always there to help you. So let's talk a little bit about a vision for world geography. First of all, we want to understand the physical world and our place in it. We will apply that understanding of how the physical world impacts our existence and how it affects us directly. How do we interact with our environment? How does our environment interact with us? We will develop a curiosity and a purpose for global understanding, for creating social, political, economic, environmental, and technological solutions to our ever-changing problems. And we have many today, many problems that need addressing. The thing is, we all can't come together and agree on a solution, and I understand that. So some of us may disagree with each other on certain things, but that is not the intent of this course, nor will it be my intent. But I do want to keep us up on current events as we move along and to understand what's happening in the world around us. Just as an example, today is August 27th. Or 26th, actually. It's the evening of the 26th. And today there was a horrible attack outside the Air Force Base in Afghanistan. And I think it's important that we know where Afghanistan is and what kind of a country it is, what the geography is like, what's different between Afghanistan and other countries where we've had mass exoduses like this, what's similar. How does the geography, the physical environment impact those that are there? And how do they impact their physical environment? And what are some of the cultural aspects as well? So we're going to become knowledgeable and responsible inhabitants of this world. We only have one world, and we can't afford to mess it up. But if for some reason it is getting messed up, we got to figure out a way to solve it. And this is where a lot of us disagree. So I don't want us to get into disagreements about certain areas. I just want us to understand what the science and the the sociology is to where people live and why people live there. So that brings us to our norms, our rules and expectations to achieve our vision. We will participate in class to the best of our ability. We will be good communicators. We will be polite, respectful, and courteous to everyone in our live sessions. We will remain focused and on task, and we will engage. So don't just turn your mic and your video off and then watch television while we're working. I want to see you working with me. We will support each other. We are a learning community. In this course, as far as course material, we're going to study two different kinds of geography. In every unit that we go to, we're going to study the physical side and the human side. Physical geography includes things like the Earth and Sun relationship, plate tectonics, what causes earthquakes, climate change, climate itself. What's the difference between climate and weather? Geographical features such as mountains, rivers, plateaus, and oceans. Environmental resources, the resources, natural resources that we have, and the impact of technological advances on our lives. Then we get to the human side, culture, social systems, political systems, particularly the dictatorship, the monarchy, and the democracy. We're going to talk about economic systems, socialism, communism, and capitalism. We're going to talk about the characteristics of various people, why they live where they live, how they are different than others, and how they're the same as others. We're going to look at the impact that people have on the environment and on physical geography. Now, as far as Class Connect and my expectations, we're going to meet every Monday and Wednesday in a large group. And so I want you to be sure to check your weekly Class Connect schedule, make sure that you attend all the required classes, that you are expected to participate in all the sessions. And it does count for attendance. It's very important. Computer graded assignments, it's very important that you complete the lessons assigned in your world geography course each day. You are responsible for learning all the content included in our online lessons. As far as teacher graded assignments, these are assignments that are created that you have to do some writing for or submit a document. So all the teacher created assignments will be embedded into the online course. When you complete an assignment, you're going to be asked to upload a document to the Dropbox folder, and that's when I'll get it for grading. Now, the norms for Neuro. First, school appropriateness and the use of tools the way that I have asked you to use them. So being on camera, on mic, in the chat, whiteboard tools, when you can and can't use camera, mic, and chat, when you should use camera, mic, and chat. Be respectful and helpful to your classmates. We're all here to learn and share ideas, so let's support each other. Don't share personal information, like a phone number, an email, a gaming ID, a YouTube channel, anything like that. That's personal information. That's for outside of class. You don't share it with your class on the mic. You don't share it with your class in chat. Don't share it. My office hours are 1 to 1:30 Central Time. I'm here in El Paso, so that's 12 to 12:30 my time. You are not required, but highly recommended that you attend these. I'm here to help you as much as possible. If I don't know an answer to a question, I'll do my best to find that answer. We are all learning together. So let's all form a learning community and do this as a group. Don't hesitate to reach out and contact me by email, by text, or by phone. The email is jseymour@tvhallsville.org. The phone number that I have is a Google Voice phone number, and that is 915-257-8435. You can leave text or you can call. Please, if I don't answer right away, please leave a message. I will get back to you. Just a friendly reminder that a teacher's workday is from 8 to 5, which means 7 to 4 my time. If you call and I don't answer, leave a message. Emails and voicemails may take up to a business school day to return to you. So please understand and bear with me. But I will try my darndest to get everything done within the 24 hours. Lastly, I look forward to working with all of you this year. I can't wait. I'm excited. I've been working to get the class ready now for a couple of weeks, but I know that we're getting started in the class just a little bit late, but we are getting our live session started on time, so we're going to pick right up, and hopefully you had a chance to work on the previous work. If not, we'll work something out and we'll talk about how we can make everything up. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, I wish you a great afternoon or evening or daytime, whatever it is. And I really look forward to working with all of you. Thank you.